Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and this is the 13th video of VMware VCP 5.5 vSphere training. And in this video I am going to show you how to deploy virtual machine by using template. So in last video we have created some clone and some template of virtual machines, and I am going to use the same template to deploy virtual machine right away. So let's have some idea about my demo environment. In my demo environment I have one server which is my Active Directory server and DNS server which is Win2K8 DC01. Here it is. I have installed Active Directory and DNS role on this server and configure, and my domain name is victorinfosol.com, and I have joined the vCenter server in my domain environment and victorinfosol.com. So, and my second server is is my vCenter server which is like a vCenter-01. You can see from here this is my, and nothing installed. I have just installed vCenter server and all the four roles like single sign-on and web client, everything on this server. So I have two ESX hosts, which is ESX01 and ESX02. You can see I have added both the ESX hosts in my vCenter environment. So the last one is my StarWind application, which is running on my physical machine on which I am recording right now. So if you go check out, you can check out from here StarWind. I have in StarWind three drive virtual drive here, and I have connected with my all the two nodes, ESX nodes, with the two connections. So for providing the multipath, so I have total six path for my 3 virtual desks. So this is all the details about my infrastructure which I am using to do the demonstration here. So for now you can see I am on my vCenter server. I have one machine which is powered up, and if I want to go to template, because in this video I am going to show you how to deploy template virtual machine by using template. So if we want to see the template, we have to go here from host and cluster. Right now we are on host and clusters, so need to go in VM template so we can see all the VMs and template. So this is the virtual machine you can see, and this is the template. So if you go here, you can see the definition what is template. So everything is here, so close it. Now you can see the template details here. So we have option deploy virtual machine from this template or convert this machine in template. And last video I have showed you how to convert machine from template to virtual machine and virtual machine to template. So now I'm going to just deploy virtual machine by using this template. So here we are, deploy virtual machine from this template. So click on it, and we have a deploy template wizard, and just need to select the name. Like I'm going to select, type here name Win2K8 R2 and put it server 01. Next, and we need to select the ESX host. You can see both are validation successful. So I'm going to deploy this time on ESX01. So click next, and we have like some insufficient disk space warning. So I'm not going to deploy this machine on my local storage of ESX host. So I'm going to deploy it on a LUN 2. You can see validation successful. So it's basically checking the free space on data store. So good to go. Click next, and we have option power on this virtual machine after creation. So and customization, few customization thing. So I'm going to leave these things default here and click next, and I'm going to click on edit virtual machines. So we have a virtual machine edit wizard here, and if I want to add something or change something, I can do it from here. So for now I'm going to leave it all the things default. So now you can see cloning virtual machine is running. So it's basically deploying virtual machine by using this template. So you can see our server is here, Win2K8 R2-server01, and it's cloning the like VMDK and all the virtual machines configuration and hard drive files to learn 0 or learn 1, which we have selected in our deployment wizard. So just give it few minutes. It's almost 40% completed. So you can see deployment has been completed, and now I'm going to power on this virtual machine and configure some post installation task. So because before creating the template we have run the sysprep on this virtual machine, so it will ask to configure the few post installation tasks for this virtual machine, and will verify the same role and feature has been deployed to this virtual machine also, which we have installed before creating the template and in last video. So just wait for a few seconds to power on this virtual machine. So it's powered on. So here you can see setup is updating registry settings. Now it's starting the services and configuring, doing the some post installation tasks like initiating the drivers and everything which required machine at the first time boot. So setup is installing devices. So applying system settings. So now Windows Server 2008 R2 data synchronization, choose the reason, time and currency and everything. So I'm going to leave the default. I accept the license term, click on start. So Windows is finalizing your settings. So password must be changed before the login. So I'm going to set my password for administrator account. Changing password. We have changed the password successfully. Click OK. So we have logged into our server. So here we are. After this we just need to rename our computer first and do the basic configuration, like if we need to configure the IP address, we need to configure the IP address. So for now I'm going to rename my machine name, like call it Win2K8R2 server 01, and it's crossed the 15 character. That's why it's giving an error message that which may cause a conflict under the NetBIOS resolution. So it's okay, no problem for me. I'm not using the NetBIOS resolution for now. So click OK, and I'm gonna restart machine after a few minutes. So here I just want to show you the desktop experience. Telnet client Windows Server backup is installed there. So like the machine is configured as per template. So we have done with this, and this machine is restarting. Then the server is back to production. If you want, configure the IP address and join the machine and domain, and you have a full functional server in your environment. So this is all about deploying virtual machine from template. And if you want to deploy machine again, you just go here and deploy virtual machine from template, and like give it name Win2K8 R2 server 02, and the same procedure here once again, and select this ESX host and select the LAN where you want to deploy this machine. So the same procedure for deploying virtual machine again and again, so nothing fancy. So this is all about the deploying virtual machine from template. And thank you once again. Please subscribe me for more videos, and if you have any query, any question related to this, please post me on my mail ID. Thank you once again. Bye bye.